Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we are looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on August 20, 2025, just yesterday. The big hook is a self-supervised method that lets one model verify itself, delivering gains like plus 2.13 comment in translation, plus 6.4 points on math reasoning benchmarks, and plus 9.3 points as an inference time re-ranker. The paper is titled DuPO, Enabling Reliable LLM Self-Verification via Dual Preference Optimization. And as we will see later, the implications for model training are quite significant. In short, the method generalizes dual learning by reconstructing only the unknown part of an input, turning that reconstruction quality into a reliable reward without human labels. Alright, this figure contrasts why classic dual learning breaks and how the relaxed setup fixes it. On the left, multiple inputs can map to the same output, so reconstructing X from Y is not unique and the loop fails. In the middle, the reconstruction fails outright, because the model is weaker on the backward task. On the right, the input is split into subspaces A and B, then only B is predicted given Y and A, which preserves a unique reconstruction and enables a reliable reward. Next, this bar chart shows human evaluation scores from 0 to 4 on the SeedX challenge across 14 directions, split into English to others, Chinese to others, and the overall average. You can see the striped blue bars, SeedX7B with DPO, matching the light blue GPT-4o bars, and the orange DeepSeek R10120 bars, while clearly beating the red Google Translate bars. The pattern holds across both language groups, which signals strong generalization rather than a single niche win. Now, this table summarizes multilingual translation across 756 directions, comparing models on Blue, Kame, Blue RT, and an average. The key row is the shaded one, SeedX7B with DuPO, which lifts scores to 30.31 Blue, 89.09 Comet, 74.57 Blue RT, and a 64.66 average. That average surpasses the SeedX base and lands near or above larger systems, so the gain is both broad and meaningful. Moving to the results, this table reports mathematical reasoning accuracy on 3 benchmarks and their average. You can see that adding dual preference optimization consistently lifts every backbone, which is notable because the base abilities vary widely. For instance, QN34B jumps from 77.2 to 83.6, and Open Reasoning Nematron 7B rises from 83.9 to 90.3. Even the distilled DeepSeek 1.5B gains 3.9 points, showing stable benefits across scales. Building on those gains, 2 takeaways stand out. First, reconstructing only the unknown part creates a stable self-supervision signal that works beyond strictly invertible tasks, which makes self-verification practical at scale. Second, the improvements land across translation and math, and even as a re-ranker at inference time. That is the episode of the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thanks for listening.